Cucumbers are highly nutritious and offer exceptional health benefits, providing ample nutrition and hydration. A little-known fact about this versatile food is that it is actually classified as a fruit, despite commonly being treated as a vegetable in the culinary world. In today's video, let's explore all that cucumbers have to offer. Number 1. Nutrients. Cucumbers are rich in nutrients, low in calories, and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Raw, unpeeled cucumbers consist of about 6% fat, 83% carbs, and 11% protein, along with fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and manganese, plus trace amounts of nearly all other minerals and vitamins. They are particularly high in vitamin K and provide essential nutrients such as pantothenic acid and molybdenum. Additionally, they contain copper, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B1. While peeled cucumbers retain some vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they contain more nutrients when eaten unpeeled. Number 2. Antioxidants. Cucumbers contain a high amount of antioxidants, which are compounds that prevent oxidation, a process that creates free radicals, highly reactive atoms with unpaired electrons. These free radicals can lead to numerous chronic illnesses, including autoimmune diseases, cardiac issues, lung disease, and cancer. The antioxidants in cucumbers can help mitigate these health risks. A short research period showed that cucumber powder improved antioxidant status and increased antioxidant activity. Cucumbers also contain tannins and flavonoids, two substances particularly effective at neutralizing harmful free radicals, according to another test tube study examining the antioxidant properties of cucumbers. Number 3. Cancer cell. Cucumbers inhibit cancer cell growth and are renowned for their anti-cancer properties. Cucurbitacins, a type of highly oxidized tetracyclic triterpene found in cucumbers, act as chemical pheromones that protect plants from external biological attacks. These compounds help reduce the spread of cancerous cells throughout the body and prevent cancer development. Oncologists recommend that individuals with cancer consume cucumbers, as they aid in repairing damaged cells and improving blood flow. Number 4. Hydration. Cucumbers provide hydration. Cucumbers come in various colors and sizes, with a mild melon-like smell and taste. The cucurbitacins in cucumbers give their skin a slight bitterness. Comprising 96% water, cucumbers are highly hydrating. Proper hydration is essential for your body to function correctly, aiding in temperature regulation and nutrient transport. Hydration impacts many aspects, including metabolic and physical performance. While drinking water or other liquids is the best way to meet your hydration needs, up to 40% of your total water intake can come from food. Fruits and vegetables, like cucumbers, can significantly contribute to your daily hydration. Number 5. Bowel motions. Cucumbers promote bowel movements. Eating cucumbers can help promote regular bowel movements. The high water content in cucumbers aids in hydration, which is crucial for maintaining regularity, reducing constipation, and improving stool consistency. Cucumbers also contain soluble fiber, specifically pectin, which can increase the frequency of bowel movements. In a study where 80 participants were given pectin supplements, researchers found that pectin not only accelerated intestinal muscle function but also nourished the beneficial bacteria in the gut, supporting overall digestive health. Number 6. Lose weight. Eating more cucumbers might aid in weight loss. 1 cup of cucumbers contains only 16 calories, and an entire 11-ounce serving has just 45 calories. Adding cucumbers to salads, sandwiches, and side dishes can enhance freshness and flavor while replacing higher calorie options. Their high water content also contributes to weight loss. A study found that consuming foods high in water and low in calories was associated with significant weight reduction. Number 7. Bone health. Improves bone health. The calcium in cucumbers may reduce the risk of fractures and low bone density. Cucumbers can also enhance calcium absorption, aiding in the healing of bones and muscles. Silica, found in cucumber skin, works with calcium and vitamin D to boost collagen production and slow down bone deterioration, which is a major cause of conditions like osteoporosis. Additionally, cucumbers contain vitamin K, which is essential for reducing the risk of bone fractures and improving the bone's ability to absorb calcium. Number 8. Blood sugar. Animal and laboratory studies have shown that cucumbers can help lower blood sugar levels and prevent certain diabetes complications. Specifically, cucumbers have been found to effectively regulate blood sugar. Additionally, plants from the Cucurbitaceae family, such as Cucurbita pheolea, exhibit significant hypoglycemic properties that may aid in managing and preventing diabetes mellitus. Another finding revealed that cucumber peel extract can reverse many diabetes-related changes and reduce blood sugar levels. Number 9. Skincare. Cucumbers offer an effective skincare treatment, making the skin supple and radiant when cucumber juice is applied. Their anti-inflammatory properties help naturally lighten the skin and reduce tanning. Whether dealing with dry skin, chapped areas, or dark circles, incorporating cucumbers into your diet and skincare routine can be beneficial. With a pH level around 5, cucumbers are well suited to maintain skin hydration and repair the skin's protective barrier, promoting a glowing complexion. They help cleanse the body by eliminating toxins and waste, nourish the skin, reduce swelling, and soothe irritation. Additionally, cucumbers can ease sunburn pain and may even help minimize wrinkles and fine lines. Number 10. Eye puffiness. Cucumbers can help alleviate eye puffiness, offering quick relief from redness and irritation. The ascorbic and caffeic acids in cucumbers help reduce water retention, which diminishes swelling around the eyes. For a simple home remedy, try applying chilled, chopped cucumber slices to your closed eyes daily. This not only helps reduce puffiness but also provides a soothing, relaxing effect. Number 11. Hair loss. Can cucumbers help prevent hair loss? Cucumbers contain silica, a naturally occurring element that supports the growth of collagen and connective tissue, enhancing skin strength and elasticity. Silica can help reduce hair loss, prevent thinning, and improve hair health. If you're experiencing significant hair loss, you might consider taking silica supplements. However, eating cucumbers regularly can also help protect against hair damage and aging. Additionally, you can make a cucumber hair mask by mixing cucumber juice with 5 tablespoons of yogurt, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. Apply the mixture to dry, unwashed hair, massage it in, and leave it for 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Number 12. Libido. Enhance your libido with cucumbers. These green fruits act as an aphrodisiac, with their vitamin C and manganese boosting energy and sex drive. Vitamin C also improves circulation and blood flow, which can benefit men with erectile dysfunction. Cucumbers contain L-citrulline, which has been associated with improved symptoms of erectile dysfunction in some men. Additionally, cucumbers are rich in vitamin A, crucial for both immune function and testosterone production. Clearly, cucumbers are a fantastic choice, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients all in one fruit. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.